know this. Let's go get our favorite dish. Tell me where the food at. I look at it like, ooh, that. What's that? I want two of that. Tell me where the food at. Cause that's really where my mood at. You tryna eat? Well, let's do that. Tell me where the F-O-O-D. I'm tryna go. Tell me where the food at. Now I'm tired of the questions. Where it's at? I'm tryna bless it. Tell me where the food. And my friends like, y'all tryna go out. You know I'm hungry, so you know what this about. We all bored sitting around on the couch, and we kinda starving, so